What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Ben's Tackle Talk. Today we're out here fishing a little lake behind us here. You guys saw we were here a couple videos ago doing some bass fishing. This year we did the tournament. I beat Lukey. Today we're actually pre-fishing for the tournament which starts tomorrow. So today's gonna be a separate video. We're gonna have a day 1 video and a day 2 video. So we're gonna get out there. The rain's starting to let up. It was like torrential downpour earlier, thunder, lightning, all that. Starting to let up. Hopefully the weather stays good. What time is it right now? What time is it?
We're looking at 1:30.
Looking at 1:30, so we still got a couple of hours. And, well, a few hours to fish. And we'll be getting out there soon. I've got a topwater, a crankbait, a chatterbait, and a little punch rig tied on.
And I got the same except plus a glide bait. So, we'll see.
Alright guys, so we're out on the water now, pre-fishing for our tournament tomorrow. We showed you what we got tied on. Hopefully we catch a bunch of big larges now. Heading out, we're gonna go fish some docks, some open water, flip some grass, see if we can't get it done out here today. Hooked up. Hooked up. Oh yeah, guys. He's still on there. Oh yeah, he's on there for sure. There we go, guys. First bass of the day. Instant. Probably a little 13, 14 incher. Slide him back. Beautiful. That guy got me all buried in the grass. So we know the dock bite's good right now for tomorrow's tournament. So right here, I'll throw him a little 5-inch perfect jig flipping stick and a little pumpkin seed chartreuse tip color. One of my favorite baits of all time, just because these plastics are really dense, really salty. They got crazy garlic scent on them, and fish just go crazy on them. Second dock I fished, absolutely nailed him. On. Don't be a pike, be a bass. Oh, it's a nice bass. It's a really good bass. That's a big one. That is a really good fish. Oh man, he was pinned real good. That's a tank, guys, on a little perfect jig, a vibe jig. Awesome, with a little chartreuse trailer. All right, guys, getting a little release on this bucket mouth, probably close to 3, honestly. Munch that perfect jig, vibe jig. Absolute hog. Fish on, guys. Here we go, guys. First largemouth. Of the trip, of the practice. Not a great one, but hey, He would keep, he's over 12 inches, probably pounding a bit. Send him back. There you go, guys, first one. Can't be too loud because he won't know. He's got the wind pushing away from him, so you probably won't hear him anyways, even if I was a bit loud. But yeah, that's a good sign. First largemouth on the little punch rig. So guys, what I'm doing, little tip. That's actually the first time I've ever tried this. Not a little tip, but just from experience right now. Little 4-inch beaver, perfect jig beaver. And this is a perfect jig tungsten spoon. It's for ice fishing. I pulled the hook off, tied it to the split ring, tied it up like that. Bada bing, bada boom. Got it done. Hopefully we'll keep catching them. I don't think I'm gonna punch anymore just because I know they're eating the punch rig now. So I can settle down with that one. Put that one down, maybe I'll try a chatterbait. Actually, I'll try a topwater is what I'll do. So get back out there and yeah, keep the bite going.
Oh yeah, it's a nice bass. It's a nice bass. Gobbled the vibe jig. Another solid bass. What a beauty. He's getting a release on this little beauty. Probably another high 2. Awesome.
Alright guys, pulling out the big guns now. Haven't gotten a bite in probably close to 3 hours. Tied on a punch skirt with a little trench hog on the back, nice and big profile. Do some crashing and bagging down on the bottom. Hopefully we can get bit. Oh, guys, he ate at the boat. Good largemouth. All right, that's a good sign. All right, guys. You guys can see here. Might just be a little bit big, but they're out here deep too. Oh, that gave me a heart attack.
You've served me well, little boy. Now we're just gonna take this guy off because we know for a fact that it gets bites and decent bites. So we don't need to waste time messing around with that. So what we're going to do now is found this little DT8 right here. See if we can get a little crank and bite going, because that's something that I think we can catch a good portion of our limit on tomorrow. So I got a little steep rock point here. I know it doesn't look like I'm in rock right now, but just behind me and in front of me it's a steep rock edge with an underwater point that comes out. And yeah, we've had success cranking there in the past. One of our recent videos, you guys probably saw us cranking there with little MR6s, but I broke mine off unfortunately, so now I'm rocking with this thing, a little DT8. It should be good. These fish are obviously liking these bright, bold colors based on the chartreuse vibe jig I was just throwing around. So right here I'm just throwing a little bright blue, a little orange belly. I forget what the color's called. Maybe blue shad or something. I don't know, but it's looking good so far. Feeling good about tomorrow. I mean, obviously today we didn't get that morning bite because we got here like at 1 o'clock or 1:30. Now it's 3. So the fact that we know where some fish are is good, and now let's just try to find some more spots. This old crankbait right here. On crankbait. Let's go, guys. We'll take that. We'll take that. I knew we were gonna get one eventually, guys. Usually there's a pretty productive spot Nice bass. Little chartreuse jackal crankbait. Good sign. Usually we're out here up closer to the rocks because right behind me is a steep rock bank. But the water seems to be a touch down this year, and the grass seems to be a bit taller than normal as well. So I can't fish right up against the rocks. So I pushed off because I was getting grass every cast. As you notice, I'm not throwing the DT8 anymore. Throwing a little jackal crankbait. Dives from 4 to 6 feet. So maybe that's what we're gonna have to roll with out here. Obviously they're like in the bold colors though. So yeah, I pushed off from the bank, fished this more open water, got a bite right away, and then fished for a few more minutes down the bank. And got us a little largemouth. So in only a couple of hours, we've already got most of a limit. So I'm feeling pretty good about tomorrow. I don't know what Ben's up to. He's being stubborn and not telling me because he wants to be all cool and keep a secret and all that, but I don't know. I'm feeling good about tomorrow. I got a dock bite, a chatterbait bite in 2 different areas, and a cranking bite. So we'll carry that into tomorrow, and we'll see if we can get another fish out here cranking, see if we can get anything bigger.
On. There you go, guys, on the shower blows. A little largemouth. He would not keep, but hey, it's a good sign. Chill out, buddy. Look at that. Right there, guys. Nice little blow up on the shower blow. I don't think he's 12, but hey, a fish is a fish, you know? See his measurement, see if he would keep. He is just shy. He's about 11 and a half. But hey, that's fine. Little largemouth.
Just caught this absolute tank right there on a little flipping stick, held right at 4 on the scale. Let's get a release on him. Oh my. Well guys, my camera's been acting up. It'll record and then it'll stop recording for, it'll record and then stop recording after like 30 seconds. But that was a tank. She held right at 4 pounds, and yeah, it's under a dock.
Fish on, guys. All right, little largie. There you go, guys, on the bladed jig. Finally convinced one to eat. He's so small, I don't think he's 12 either. No, he's not. Alright, guys, a little largemouth on the chatterbait. Going back. There you go. There you go, guys. There's a nice one on the frog. Alright, guys, anyways, look at that. Absolutely smoked the frog. Look at that, guys, right there. Frog and a largie. No better sight. See grass in his mouth. Pull that out for him. Alright, guys, send them back. Dude, I knew I was gonna get bit there. I had that feeling. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's episode. I had a great day fishing out on the water. Full day. Caught basically every technique. Caught chatterbaits, Lucky caught some on the docks, caught on top water, caught on a frog this evening.
Punching.
I caught on punching and
Spooks.
And yeah, top water spooks. So great day out on the water, great practice for tomorrow's tournament. Make sure you stay tuned for that video. It's coming out next week. So make sure you have your notifications on. Make sure you subscribe and you like the video, and let us know in the comments what you want to see next.
And who do you think's gonna win?
Who do you think is gonna win the tournament? Comment now, so you don't cheat and watch the videos. Make sure you comment now, so you think is gonna win based on today, and we'll see you next week.